guys, I am right here. Look at that. I am currently in front of the monkeyforest area, or ticket booth, or whatever this building is called. We have been waiting for a long time to come here, and now we're finally here. Alright, okay, this is it guys. That's the entrance right here. Exactly how I remembered it. Definitely no fish in these ponds. That don't look right. Not unlike the one in Tertaganga. Look what these guys are. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's the ticketing booth. Let's go buy the tickets. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Oh, there's no light over there.
Really? Ah, right here. I don't know why everyone's right here.
Oh, monkey selfies closed?
Ah, no selfies today?
Selfie today?
It says closed.
2:30.
2:30.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Later.
Later.
Okay. No problem. I buy one ticket. Alright.
8,000.
Anyways guys, ticket issues aside, we are now finally at the entrance right here. Whoa. Exactly how I remembered it. You got the statues. Huh? Oh, okay. This is where they check the ticket. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Oh, look at this guy. So,
why would you touch them?
yeah, don't look at them. Any kind of plastic, maano sila. Alright. We did our milestone selfie. Now we're gonna walk in. This is right there. There's a couple of them up there. They're just being chilling. Ooh, that is the entrance. That's a photo I took on my Instagram in 2019. Okay, we go inside the tunnel, and we come out on the other side. Let's go to where the light is. Okay. Yep, this is it. These motorcycles are a little bit annoying. It would be nice to enjoy the forest here, but there's a road on this side. I wonder what this is. Why is there everyone here? Ah, this is the selfie. That's why there's a lineup. Oh, there's a relative. Finally. Ah, and okay. He's like playing with his husk. Ah, never mind. So we did not buy the monkey selfie. So unless you want to go back and buy it, okay. Let's just keep walking then. That's one right there. Let's see the map. Clinic, Pura. Okay, let's go here, guys. Like this way is for the main temple, so let's go to the main temple. There's one walking. Yeah. Hope you guys saw that. Very nice area though. Very cool. Matahari is on full blast. There's no clouds covering it, but because we're in the forest, it's nice and cool. There's one over here sitting down, minding his own business. Look at him. Hello. Imagine living here though. This is what I saw.
Wanna live here?
No, I said imagine living here. It's like your house is literally beside the monkey forest, so they can just go to your house. Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah, it's definitely not the season for jackfruit yet. They're quite small. No, I would say average with good personality. We can keep going. Okay, main temple. That's interesting. They added you know, gift shop. I guess you can add a gift shop, but it's inside. It's inside the actual sanctuary. See, look at that. There's locals are sitting with the monkeys. They're pretty tame. Look at him. He's just chilling. Oh, there's more of them. What is he doing? Oh, he's playing with the plastic. He's playing with the trash. Oh, I think we arrived. Perfect. We arrived at the main temple. Look at that. Huge temple. Just for the monkeys, guys. Check these guys out. They're busy eating anyways. Don't take any food. Okay, we're not gonna take your food. Right, see? Yeah. Ooh, right here. That's a huge tree. Can go down here. See what's let me see. Let me see if we can is there like a path walk over there? Oh yeah, there is. It goes over there. Huh. No idea what these are supposed to be. Those are definitely monkeys. Oh, he's awake. It's just... Okay, let's go check it out. My guy's about to feed them. Yeah, new. That's what they were waiting for. They were waiting for the new. Uh-oh. Ah, yeah, I knew it. Territorial wars. We're like the monkeys too. We're just waiting for the food. So they got corn, but mostly potatoes. Yeah, mostly potatoes. Oh, there's one with a kid. Look at the little kid.
Oh my gosh.
So cute. Uh-oh. Don't get too close to the mother though. They're gonna get aggressive. Look at that. Yep. Alright. Okay. As long as I don't really look at them. Wow. Oh, look, oh, they're so cute. Look at the small ones. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. The reason why I try to avoid the eye contact is they might attack me. But now that I'm far enough, oh look at that. Now I can take a video. Whoa. So that's like a one squad right there.
Oh, nag-swimming pala sila.
Uh-oh.
Nagtutuyo.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, this one's a mom too. She's a small.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Nagtutuyo siya sa damit ng babae.
Yeah. Okay. They were using the ladies' clothes to dry themselves. That was funny.
Oh, may sakit ata yan.
No, basa lang.
Hindi, naligo yan doon.
Yeah. Just wet. Ooh.
Mabatang to, lilikot.
Yeah.
A lot of bukong.
Yeah.
This is their main area. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that, they're so small. Whoa. Okay, I think that was all of them. So the mom's eating, and then the little kid is just, I think he's asking for food. Ah, there you go. He wants the premium food from the handler instead of the one from the ground. Wish they had a top-down view map instead of just like signs. Okay, we already went to the main temple, and that one is closed. Guess we just walk here. Demographic data. Ah, right there. Infant black, yeah. 0 to 4 months old, 5 to 10. That's what we were seeing, juvenile. They were very Oh, is there a show here? What's going on?
Instagram.
Oh, there you go. Now he's up. Okay. Ah, this is the selfie. Yeah, it's gonna go up to your hand. Ah, there it is. So the handler will give them like peanuts, and he's gonna keep taking your photos. It's like a selfie. That's it. That's the selfie. That's the monkey selfie, guys. Okay. Ooh. Wow. So the selfie is not really for your boy here. We're good with just watching them from afar. Maybe next time I come back here, whenever that may be, maybe we'll get a proper monkey selfie. But for now, let's keep walking. Ooh. Oh, look at that guy. Is he playing with the leaf? What's he doing? We're at the monkey cemetery area. I guess this is where they bury their dead. I don't know. Anyways, we didn't go through with the selfie. We're fine with just watching the monkeys from afar, you know. Maybe next time. Padang. Ah, so it's an actual grave for the people who live in Padang Tigal Traditional Village, which is that village, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. So there's more of them here, as you can see. I guess this whole place is a cemetery. That's why they covered it with like this mesh. It's like a metal mesh. Ni Nim Nyatari. Full name? Cremation Temple. Oh, this is a cremation temple. So interesting. So it's not just monkey here. They actually have temples for cremation. They even have cemeteries for the people that lived in that Padang village. Of course, it's closed, not open to the public. But I wonder how they cremate the dead, eh? They just burn them? Maybe there's like a ritual. Kinda want to see that. Oh, look at them! Look at them playing. Oh, never mind. I don't think they're playing, guys. They're like fighting each other. Look at that. Oh, that looks like a... Okay, are they family? I think they're playing around. I can't really tell if they're fighting or playing around, guys. They have their claws. They have their fangs out. Okay, what's wrong with that small one? Oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay. So are they fighting or are they playing? Okay, I guess they are playing. So I think that's a whole family, and that's the, of course, the big one is the alpha, and the other ones are just playing around. And now they're picking stuff from his ass. Interesting. This one. Because that's already the main road right here. That's where we turned left. Okay, so I think there's more. Oh wow, this is chill place. Chill place. Look at that, his balls is out. Ah, there's more here. That's their feeding time. This is their feeding time. Oh, they went to that girl because she sat down. Now everyone's on her. Look at that. Now they're playing around her. Uh-oh. Oh, they're opening her bag. Oh, your bag's open now. Uh-oh. Oh, one's on the top of her head. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, all in the open, huh? Ooh. Oh, they're fighting. Oh no, they're just playing around. I wonder who's brave enough to sit here again. No, I don't want to get scratched. Okay, I think they follow the alpha. Okay. Well, this is the walk to the exit now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a quick walk around, actually. We didn't really interact with a whole lot of monkeys today. Because, like, I mean, you know. Oh, this guy is so chill. Look at him. Oh. Maybe we can do one here. Oh, he's moving. Ah. Oh, wow. He lost interest on the... Go back? No, I didn't. That's fine. Oh, is he coming back? Ah, okay. They got a really good selfie there. Here, show it to the camera. Let's see. Look at that, guys. Hey, just cropped that guy out, and then the three monkeys. Three monkeys. That was nice. That was nice. They got a good selfie from the monkey. All right. I think that was a good interaction. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. Like I said, we didn't really interact with a lot of monkeys today. Last night, they get super aggressive. You've seen the video with the lady. They all climbed on top of her, and I think one of them bit her arm because she wouldn't open her bag. So yeah, we want to be safe. Anyways, we're gonna walk around a little bit more maybe, and then I think I'll end the vlog here. Alright, I think that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.